Denton Enterprise Airport.
Automated weather observation 1553 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 03 Celsius.
I was 7 years old the first time I boarded a plane. I knew right then what I wanted to be when I grew up.
Denton Gal, Sky 78445 on Academy North Rapids, taxi to the numbers.
Never ordinary, never in a cubicle. And even after 3,000 hours of flight time that I logged, it's still a thrill. My name is KASEY EISENMANN, and I'm a captain for Envoy Air.
I wanted to do something that was fun, challenging, something a little bit different.
I could never really find anything that I was truly passionate about that I wanted to make into a career to do every day until I stepped foot into an airplane.
I was looking at my friends that were in pilot training and they seemed to be having a lot of fun. And it's a really tight-knit community, so I just really wanted to be a part of that. I went on a discovery flight and I fell in love with it. My name's Trevor Ward and I'm a certified flight instructor at US Aviation Academy.
My name is ALIINA ELLIOTT and I am a certified flight instructor. The best part of being a pilot is having the whole sky as your office.
Something new every day. You're not going to your normal desk job, 9 to 5.
I'll do a discovery flight and I'll show somebody view of the cockpit for the first time and just seeing that smile on their face.
The runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, turn on course.
The friendships I made here was definitely great. There's a lot of guys I fly with now at Envoy, and that came from here, and we get along just as well as we did here at flying in a little 172 to flying an airliner.
US Aviation marks off a lot of those things that a student is going to want for a flight school. It's easy to get to practice areas, so the student isn't waiting around for jets to depart. It's, you get in the plane after pre-flight and you can get to where you need to be to start working. Instruments isn't hard, it's just flying but multitasking, right? So it's just constantly scanning and flying.
US Aviation has multiple programs. They have a 2-year, 4-year, or accelerator program. Management here is incredible and they encourage a good and healthy culture.
My experience so far has been flawless. This is where I belong. So my biggest advice for young girls who are wanting to get into aviation is just to go for it. It's definitely made for everyone.
A lot of people don't know how quickly you can go through flight school. You can go from zero experience to an instructor in under a year.
Aviation's one of the greatest careers. The only regret that I have is not starting sooner.
Go take a discovery flight, see if you like it.
We're just one big family. I have lifelong relationships that I still hold today. It's just a really great place to work. I know when you're trying to decide flight schools, there's tons of different choices here in the DFW Metroplex. And I think US Aviation's a top choice.
I think the most intimidating part in aviation is just starting.
If you like to do it, you should do it.
So if you've ever thought about being a pilot, call US Aviation, come out for a visit, do a discovery flight, and just give it a go because you definitely won't regret it.
I would 100% recommend students to the Academy. I think it's one of the best ways to go.
The schooling and the instruction you get here is top-notch quality. No matter where you are in your journey, US Aviation can help.